These are symptoms na nami-mistake nila as something na baka sa puso nang gagaling. Napakaraming mga non-specific symptoms na mga babae ay na-experience during that period of perimenopause. No? Commonly, yung mga hot flashes, mood swings, palpitations. There are some women who complain of parang medyo mahirapan silang huminga, madaling mapagod. And most often than not, mas madalas silang magpunta sa isang cardiologist without really knowing that it must be part and parcel of a perimenopausal syndrome that they are going through. No? Maybe we could ask also our guest, OB, no, Dr. Anit Sanggalang, to specifically give us some more details on this perimenopausal period.
Yeah, okay. Tama naman yung sinabi mo na usually they manifest with, unang-una yung night sweats. That's the most common kasi that they usually experience na kahit nasa loob sila ng aircon room, pinagpapawisan sila ng todo. But one of the more common things kasi na dahilan kung bakit sila nagpupunta sa aming OB is yung bang irregular yung menses nila, bigla na lang hindi monthly or di kaya sobrang lakas ng regla. So usually pag ganon, ang pinaka-cause niyan, kaya tinatawag natin siyang perimenopause, is they're in the period wherein yung age na yon papunta na sila doon sa sinasabi nating menopause. So kailangan dapat 1 taon kang walang regla bago mo masabi na talagang into menopause ang isang pasyente.